Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to get donation button on PLS Donate Mobile, so let's get started. First, open Roblox on your mobile device and launch the PLS Donate game. Once it loads, go to the stand area and claim an unclaimed stand by tapping on it. To get the donation button working, you need to create a Gamepass. Open a browser and visit the Roblox website. Log into your Roblox account. Tap the three lines at the top, scroll down and switch to desktop mode. Tap on Create, then select your place. Under the Monetization tab, select Passes and click on Create a Pass. Upload an image using Choose File. Give it a name like Donation Button for me. Add a description such as Hello and click Create Pass. Once uploaded, click on your pass, open the three lines again, go to Sales, toggle the Item for Sale option, and set a price in Robux. Go back to the PLS Donate game and refresh your stand. Your donation button will now be visible with the price you set. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.